Can't take my eyes off you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes off you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes off you. Take my eyes off you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. And I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. I'll leave you all those links down below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back with a super exciting video. Like, you guys, I can't even explain to you how excited and happy I am. So I decided to get a new vanity, and I got something from Impressions Vanity. I got the tabletop with drawers and a mirror. And I'm just so excited with like the outcome and how it looks. I decided to get a new vanity just because the other one that I had was a little bit too small and I couldn't really like display anything on the top. So I got the tabletop and the drawers in the size plus, which is the 2.0. And then I got the Pro mirror, the ultra slim with the smaller bulbs. So that one there is a little bit thinner than the other mirrors, and it also weighs much less. So I'm very excited. I was actually like literally like back and forth texting with my mom and my friend Joey. They helped me decide like what mirror to get, and I'm so happy that I listened to them because I love the way that it like looks. So I'm going to show you very briefly how I kind of put things together, and you guys, I did it all on my own. I'm so proud of myself. I do feel that I kind of hurt my back the first day like pushing in the boxes. So yeah, other than that, it was pretty easy. I did have a hard time with the drawers, so that for me was like the hardest part, putting the drawers, putting the sliders in. So I do have a clip of that. So I'm also going to show you what I put inside my new vanity, how it looks, give you like a little tour of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to that part. I want to show you guys very quickly how to put in the slider in the drawers, just because I had the hardest time understanding their instructions. They are like not the greatest. Couldn't even understand it. And I also noticed that they have a misspelling here. Instead of saying holes, it says close. Anyway, so this one is board number 8, and you want to make sure that this line right here is facing down. Once you have that, you want to grab your slider and you want to pull it like this, turn it around, and then you will see this plastic tab here. You want to push that up and then it slides out. So this we're going to put aside. We're going to use that for later, and this is the part we're going to work with right now. So you want to make sure that this little plastic tip right here is facing the same direction as this little wood peg. And you're gonna place it like this. So the screw is going to go on this first one right here, the one that's like a little minus. This is the one that it's going to go on. Same thing. So right here and then right here. overview of my vanity and what it looks like. There's still plenty of space here, so I feel like if I would have gone with the bigger table, it would have still looked pretty good. So the mirror turns on with this little knob right here, and it is super bright. I love the way the vanity looks. It's so amazing. It's like the perfect size. So I had to like move around a couple items in the vanity because I had like different lamps and different things in there, but I finally have everything organized. So I did kind of organize a lot. So I'm going to show you very quickly what I have in the vanity. So I'm going to show you first what I have on the top here, and I do have this like acrylic box. This one here I got from HomeGoods, and it was only $24. I think this was like such a good price. It has all these drawers, and then it has this like little top right here to put like your perfumes and other things. And I did put like little roses inside just to make it look cuter. This is what I did. And then I got the foam roses from Amazon, and then I just added like some rhinestones just to add, you know, like a little touch of glam. So this little acrylic box, I have some makeup brushes. These makeup brushes are so soft and they're such a good quality. I got these from Amazon, and they were only like $10 for like the whole set, which I think is such an amazing deal, and the quality is really, really nice. So I'm so happy that I got these brushes. Also here on the top, I do have my Too Faced lip gloss, plumping lip gloss. I love these lip glosses. They're like so pretty and they're so amazing. On this side, I have my Anastasia Dew Set. I'm running low, so I'm gonna have to get another one. But this one here, I recently got, and I'm in love with it. This one is the Too Faced, the Plump and Prime. It's like an incredible primer. It's perfect for makeup application. So in this first drawer here, I just have this palette from Huda Beauty, and I have some more Givenchy lipsticks. Over here on this side, I have all my Pixie Beauty liquid lipsticks. So over here on this side, I just have some Huda Beauty and some Lancome. This one here has Clarins. It has like all my lip stains and lip glosses. And on this side, I have all my YSL lipsticks, and then more YSL. So over on this side, I have this other little acrylic box, and this one here I actually have in my shop. I'll leave you the link to my shop in case you guys are interested, but I do make these, and it came out so pretty. These are the brushes that I'm currently using, and I like it because it just keeps them covered and free of dust. And it does come with like little beads and pearls in there, so I thought that was cute. So over here on this side, I have my High Mirror Mini, and I love this mirror. You can watch like YouTube videos and tutorials. So I always keep this here because I love to watch like YouTube videos as I'm doing my makeup. And on the side right here, I just have these little like elastics, which I have in my hand. I love those for my hair. Over here, I have this candle, which I am loving. This one is the Pumpkin Cupcake from Bath & Body Works. It smells so incredible, like cupcakes and pumpkin. It's like perfect for the fall. And I have it in this little stand right here that I also got from Bath & Body Works. But look how cute this is. It like spits out the glitter and it looks so cute. So I have that there. So over here on this side, I have my cute little Chanel teddy bear. This is from Fifi Lovely Gifts. She makes the most beautiful teddy bears and home decor. I'll link it down there below, but I am like loving it, and it smells so nice. I also have my Good Morning coffee cup, and it's sitting right on top of this really adorable coaster that my friend gave me. So over here on this side, I just have this little rose. This is like a scent diffuser and just makes your room smell so nice. So I recently, actually today, got this lamp right here, and I actually got this as a gift. So I am very excited. I was originally going to get like something gold to match my other stuff, but I ended up getting this one. So I think I am going to leave it here for now, and then I just moved like other things around, but really loving that little lamp. So let's get to see what's inside and show you what I have inside the vanity. So this vanity I love because it has this like glass tabletop and you can just like put things inside and display them. So I'm gonna start off first with this drawer on this side, and I'm gonna show you what I have inside. So in here I have some of my favorite hair clips. These are like my favorite. I also have my Chanel hair clip that my friend Rosa gave me. I love it. And I actually ended up getting AirPods, and I'm very excited that I actually did, because I only had the case. I didn't have the actual AirPods, so I finally have them now. I also have this little flower, and this here is like to keep my lashes. I have my blogging camera. I have like a headband, and this here to do my skincare. Over here on this side, I have most of my Too Faced palettes. This one here is my most recent one, the pumpkin one. It's such a pretty eyeshadow palette. It looks so beautiful. Over here on this side, I have the Naked by Urban Decay. I have the Heat palette and the Honey one. I also have these beautiful lashes. Look how gorgeous these are. I love the packaging. These were sent out to me from my friend Joey. And then I also have this Urban Decay, the Gwen Stefani palette. It has like the most beautiful like blushes ever. So in here I just have my other eyeshadow palettes, and I have different kinds. I did declutter a lot of makeup, so a lot of the palettes that I had in the last previous video are not here anymore, just because I like decluttered and only kept what I really use. So on this other drawer, this is what I keep in here. I have a bunch of Pixie Beauty. This is like one of my favorite brands. I like dedicate this drawer to like Pixie Beauty. So this next one here has some lashes, mascara, eyeliners, and single eyeshadows. And then this one has some of my skincare stuff, and I wanted to keep this here just because I have my mini fridge right there, and I do keep my vitamins in here. These are the hair sweet hair vitamins. I keep them here just because that's the only way I will remember to take them when I reach for my skincare. So this last drawer here has just like random skincare things that I have that I haven't opened yet, and these are things that will eventually go in my mini fridge, but I still have stuff in my mini fridge that I'm currently using. So this is basically like extra things, and this is where I like to keep them stored. So on this side, this drawer basically just has hair things and random stuff, so don't mind this one. I do have my favorite dry shampoo. This is called the Hask Coconut Dry Shampoo, and I love this. This is great for like in between shampoos. So moving down, we have, it's pretty empty. We have this here. So this here just has like my lip care. I have a bunch of lip balms and lip scrubs. So over here I have these little organizers, and I got these acrylic organizers from Amazon. I'll link them down below. They're great. You can fit like all your products in there. So all this side here has all my highlighters, and then all this side here has the bronzers. So this is highlighters, bronzers. Okay, so I have Scentbird perfumes in here, and then I also have some like mini highlighters on this side. This one here has my current foundations, and I am using the Too Faced foundation. It's my favorite at the moment. And then this bottom drawer here has more lipsticks, lip liners, and lip glosses. So yeah, you guys, this is how I have everything organized here in my vanity. Let me show you over here just very quickly what I did on this side. So this side here basically still has my beauty fridge, my Keurig. I got this cute little pumpkin, and then that in the back there just has like some coffee. So on the bottom here, I do have my Victoria's Secret mists, and I love these, especially this one, the Warm and Cozy is my favorite. And then this cute little Chanel box, I love it. This is where I have my tea. So that is what I did. I just kind of moved things around. I'm sure I'll probably keep moving things around still because I love to like change everything, but Other than that, everything is still the same. I have everything still on the shelves. This here is new. My daughter made that for me. It's like a little white fluffy cat. I told her I would show it to you guys in my video, and there it is, the little fluffy cat that my daughter made me. So yeah, this is basically how everything looks. I really hope you guys loved my video. So that was it for my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun building the vanity, even though it was all on my own. But you know, I just put some music and had fun while I was putting it together. It took me the whole day, but a glass of wine fixed that. So yeah, I mean, I do love my vanity, but I do feel like the price, I wish it was just a little bit less because of the quality of the actual vanity. As you saw in one of the clips, it just kind of like chips super easily. So that was just like, you know, a con for me. Also, the instructions were horrible. Like for me, I couldn't really understand any of the instructions. I had to like literally follow YouTube tutorials of other girls building their vanity. So that helped me a lot. But other than that, I love my vanity and I'm very happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you all next time. Bye.